Objective number 5 is about that how resource efficient and anomaly detection system is, and how much it is suitable for a real-time application. Security tasks are really time sensitive tasks. So if we are using anomaly detection in the security critical infrastructure or security critical operations, anomaly detection has to be very time sensitive. This means that anomaly detection system need to run in a streaming fashion, consuming data, and it has to generate insights with minimal latency. An example of this objective is that operator wants to be alerted of potential breaches or system failure within the minutes of the suspicious signal. I mean, it's not possible that the attacker has come and gone and the anomaly detection system is not able to generate or even generating false alarms. Every second counts when dealing with an attacker that is actively exploiting a system. Objective number 6, explainable alerts. That's a more research topic as well in the field of machine learning. So all the alerts that are being generated, there should be a valid reason behind it. If we ask the machine to give us that reason, that is one of the most important feature in anomaly detection system. Lack of explainability makes it difficult to debug and tune the system and leads to lower confidence in the decisions which are made by the detection engine. Clear explanation can make for much easier decision making process by the human and machine components. So example is that we can easily audit alerts that come from a static threshold based anomaly detection. So we can have audit or we can easily audit the alerts that come from a threshold based anomaly detector. So the explanation will be that because the threshold was crossed, that's why this is considered as an anomaly. The second method is that we can run the same event through the rules engine to see that what exactly is the condition which is violated and why the alert is being generated by the anomaly detection system. That's all from this topic, and I see you in the next topic. Thank you.